Hey everyone, welcome back to Hollow Point Defense and the YouTube channel. Thank you for subscribing or even watching and your comments. I try to read every single comment that comes across. So today what I have is this, the Align Tactical thumb rest. It is the takedown lever for the M&P 2.0. I actually put it in my metal. Turn this around right there, you can see it right there. I like it. So when I got up here, it gives me like a reference point for my thumb. It's got a good rest for it, and it should mitigate the up and down movement of the recoil. We'll find out tomorrow or Saturday when I go out. I just want to do an overview of what the product is. I kind of like it. I've heard about it for the last little bit, couple years, and I finally pulled the trigger and got one. It was very easy to install. So what you'll have to do to turn it around so you can see, let me grab this thing. Right here, the trigger pin, you have to remove that. The frame pin right here, you have to remove that. And then when you do that, this locking block will pick straight up, come right out. And on the locking block, your slide stop right here will come out with it. You'll just pull it straight back to your right and it'll come off. Real easy, just slips in there and slips right back out. So when you do that, this locking block will be all to itself, but on these metals, unlike my other 2.0s, they're one piece, and you just kind of rotate the takedown lever up and you'll see the notch and it'll come out. This one doesn't do that. The locking block is two separate pieces. It's a piece inside a piece. So what you'll do, it comes apart real easy. You'll take right here where these rails are, the slide rails, you'll actually hold this other piece right there, it all comes out together, and you'll separate those two. And your slide lever, takedown lever, will actually come right out. You'll put this new one straight into it. You'll push the two pieces back together. It's really simple. It's really no pressure. It came apart simply. You'll put that in there. You'll put your slide stop back inside there. You'll put it back together. You'll put it back in. You'll put your frame pin tool in first, your frame pin in first, and then you'll line up the trigger, which I just took another punch, ran it across to get the trigger spring, line it all up, and you'll just push. Let me get to this. Right here, you can see this one, they give you a new trigger pin. It has a nub on it. There we go. You can see it, so when this rotates, it stops right there. It stops perfect. But you'll put this new trigger pin in right here, and you'll just push it in. It went in simple. This whole thing, from a takedown to a rebuild, to where I could dry fire the first time, 10 minutes. It's fairly simple. If you live in Buckeye and you do decide to buy one, call me. Come on over. I'll show you how it goes together, how it goes in. We'll do it right here. I won't even charge you. You know, screw that stuff. Just come on by. And or call me and we'll set up a time and I'll show you. But it's a pretty simple deal. Let me go back to this. I liked it. It's Align Tactical. It's 60 bucks, but I liked it. I'm going to try it on this gun here. The only drawback that I can find to it is in the summer because it's one of my teaching guns, this metal, and my competitor are my two teaching guns. In the summer here, like last week and the week before, when I was teaching a law enforcement class, these controls got really hot, but we were shooting for 10, 12 hours, probably 400 to 500 rounds throughout the day, and they get really hot. So that's the only drawback I can think of, but no winter, it's gonna be fine. It'll keep me nice and toasty. But that's how it goes right there. I did like it. Let me put this slide back on. I do want to show you something else. There we go. It's back on there. You can see it right there. And it gives you a good reference point, I think, for your grip. But we'll see. And the one thing I do want to show you, because this sticks out, you can kind of see it right there. It sticks out about 1/4 of an inch. If you are like me, I use a lot of Safari Land Duty holsters. This is a 6390 and a 7300 series. It does fit. You'll just go straight in, and there you go. It fits. Or you can go at an angle and just rotate it in there. It fits. So it does fit the 6390, which is the red dot one. If you get the 63, I forgot what the other one is, the non-red dot holster, it fits as well. So if you are looking for like a duty wise, it does fit. I mean, it doesn't fit every holster. If you go to Align Tactical's website and you pick on the brand or the one that you're going to buy, whether it's HK, it's SIG, whatever the gun is you're going to buy, or this for that gun, I should say, it gives you a list on the bottom of the page of what holsters this actually works with. But I was glad to see Safariland because that's what I'm a big use of. And there it goes, it works. So I just wanted to show you guys that. If you guys have any questions, post them below. It's just one of them corny things that I kind of like, and I'm going to try it. Am I going to put it on every gun? Absolutely not. But I am going to put it on a couple of them. I did like it. You guys have a good one. Take care. Bye.